In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the most from a HubSpot portal audit. If you're looking to optimize your HubSpot portal and ensure it's running smoothly, you've come to the right place. Let's dive right in. Firstly, we want to start by accessing the HubSpot homepage. Open up your web browser and navigate to HubSpot's official website. This is the starting point for accessing all of HubSpot's myriad of tools and software tailored for your business needs. Once you are on the homepage, you'll want to look for and click on the Login button. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials, your email associated with the HubSpot account and password. Double check your information to ensure you're logging into the correct account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. This is vital for an accurate audit. Once successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your HubSpot home. This is your dashboard overview where you can find all your HubSpot operations. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this area because it provides comprehensive access to all your tools and recent activities. Now, to proceed with the audit, we need to head over to the settings area. Locate the settings option. It's usually found at the top right corner of the dashboard. Clicking this will take you to a page where you'll find various settings that control different aspects of your HubSpot portal. Next, look for an option called Audit Log. The audit log keeps track of changes and provides insights into the changes made across the portal. Click on this option. You may notice that the audit log presents a rich set of data, including who made specific changes, what the changes were, and when they occurred. This is an excellent tool for analyzing the activity within your portal and identifying any areas that may need attention or improvement. Understanding the data in the audit log is crucial in making informed decisions about your HubSpot strategy. Analyze trends in the activities log to optimize the workflow for efficiency and effectiveness. This can reveal if unauthorized or unnecessary changes are being made, allowing you to address them promptly. And there you have it, a step-by-step process to carry out a HubSpot portal audit. It's an excellent habit to regularly review the audit log, as it helps maintain the integrity, security, and efficiency of your operations. By staying vigilant and proactive, you can leverage your HubSpot portal to its fullest potential, ultimately benefiting your business's growth and productivity. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more insightful tips on getting the most out of your software tools.